In the previous lecture, we have studied about data types. Java provides various data types to work with. Today, we are going to learn variables. So, what are variables? Variables are the names in which our data is going to assign. Here, the 5 is the data and it is assigned to the B and it is of data type byte. Similarly, 27 is the data and it is stored in the variable I, which is of data type integer. There are two terms in the variables. First is initialization and second is declaration. Initialization means that byte equals byte B. This is the initialization of any variable. But for the declaration, byte B equals to 5. This is the declaration of the variable. Whenever we declare any variable, there is a memory allocated to that in which our data is going to store. How much our variable is going to take the space is depend on its data type. Here it's of byte, so it is going to take 1 byte. Here it is integer, so it will going to take 4 byte. We have already studied in the previous videos. The float take 4 byte, character take 2 byte. How to declare a variable, I am going to show you in the notepad. So here we are in the notepad. I have made a class named test1. So we are going to work on this. First, we are going to declare a variable byte b and then we are going to print it. System.out.print b. And now we are going to run in the command prompt. This is our command prompt. So I am simply going to write java c test1 dot java. Here you can see that the variable b might not have initialized. So take a note that before printing out the variable, we have to first initialize it. So here you can see that we have initialized the variable b to the 5. Now we are going to run this test java test1. So here you can see that the solution is 5. Now I will show you one interesting thing, that if we are going to declare 130 in the byte b, and if you recompile this, there is an error of incompatible types. Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Here this means that the memory space of the byte is negative 127 to positive 127. We have already learned in the previous video. So if I have initialized this to 127, it don't produce any error. So here you can see the output. Even if we initialize to the 128, it will give us the error, the same error. So according to the sizes of the data, we can initialize the variable. So I can give you one example also, that like int I equals to 90, float f equals to, here you can take any name, I am taking just b, I and s, 20.5, and I am going to just and we are going to simply print this. So simply write, okay, we have to write print ln to print in the next line. So here you can see the output. So for practice, you can try every data type you have learned in the previous video and try to print them. Thank you. See you in the next video.